Hey everybody, it's attorney Joseph McClellan, and today we're going over the Georgia Guide to Identity Theft Removal. Like I said, I'm Joseph McClellan. I'm a consumer protection attorney, and I'm also the author of the new book, Identity Theft: The Steps Before Litigation. And so today we're going to talk about identity theft and why almost half the people that have identity theft have an issue getting it removed. And so the basic truth here is that you're doing it wrong, plain and simple. And the fact there's only 2 steps makes it even worse. So let's go over step number 1, dispute it. I mean, it's not that complicated, but we recommend that you use our dispute letter. If you don't use our dispute letter, then you're going to want to use, or include rather, a police report and or an identity theft affidavit with your dispute. So that's step number 1. I don't think that's that complicated. Most people get that far. Step 2, when they don't fix it, is it talk to the FTC? No. Is it talk to the CFPB or the Attorney General? No and no. Those are all wrong answers. And so this is the trap people get into. They do step 1, which is do a dispute, and then they contact the FTC, they'll do a dispute again, they'll contact the CFPB, they'll do a dispute again, and then they quit. And so guys, what we're hoping to do is get you to step 2, and step 2 here is you actually file a claim for damages. And you're going to do that under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which is the law that governs your credit report. And so step 1, dispute. Step 2, if it's not fixed, you file a claim for damages. And so here's that process that I would do, or another credit reporting attorney would do, is they're going to review your file and make sure that you did step number 1 properly, which is to dispute. And then we're going to make sure that we're going to file a claim on your behalf and try to get you the best possible settlement. And that's kind of how that works. We don't charge unless we get you a recovery, and I think most credit reporting attorneys that do this, and there's only a few, but that's the general rule. And just so you can see it, you actually get your actual damages, and we get our attorney's fees, and so that's kind of how that works. Big warning though, this only works if it's legitimate identity theft. So if you're just pretending to want it to be identity theft, this will be a huge waste of time for you and will lead to bad results. If you do have identity theft and you want either our template or you've attempted to dispute it in the past and it hasn't come off, feel free to contact me, Joseph at jacksonlaws.com, and you can also call me directly, 770-775-0938. And guys, thank you. Hope you have a great day.